So here we are. It is time to pick the winner of the vintage yarn giveaway. I am so excited to see who's going to win. And let's go ahead and copy the link to this video. And then we are going to head on over to the random comment picker for YouTube. And then we're going to scroll down and then we'll paste the link to the video. We're going to filter the duplicate users. And then we have to enter the specific text, which was vintage. The word was vintage. And if you had the word vintage in your comment, then you are qualified to win. And I do believe that everybody that entered did use the word vintage. And now we just have to solve the little addition problem at the bottom, and then we will collect the YouTube comments. We've got 61 comments. Let's see who's going to be the winner of the vintage yarn. Who's gonna win? I'm so excited to see who the winner is going to be. It's Tina Reimer. Congratulations, Tina Reimer. She says, oh, I love vintage yarn and those look so soft. Great for Easter. Tina, just send me an email to crojocorner@gmail.com and then I will direct you on how to claim your prize. Congratulations, I'm excited for you, and please contact me by March the 28th at noon Central Standard Time. Thank you to everyone who entered and for watching my videos. I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for some more vintage yarn giveaways. Have a great day, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Laura.